Alright, so here you can see how much that rice and lentils made. Didn't take that long really. I've been working on it less than half an hour. So I've got rice and lentils. I have opened the can of roast beef and gravy. Alright, so I've got that. I saved my container because that's not all going to fit in a canteen cup. And I know I'm going to need another meal today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip some rice and lentils over into the container. It's hard to be the cameraman and do the cooking at the same time. I'm going to dip about half of the rice and lentils over into the container that I brought them to the fire, to the party in. So now I got, well, let's do one more spoon. Okay, now I've got about half and half there. And what I'm going to do, I'm not sure I can do this with the camera, the phone in my hand filming this, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm probably going to make a mess, but here goes. I'm going to put some of this roast beef out of this can. Like I said, if I can do it without making a mess, I'm going to put it over here. Because later I will just dump all this back in the canteen cup and just warm it up. But I want to get about half and half as well as I can. And if you're camping or backpacking, especially backpacking somewhere hot, it's good to stop in the middle of the day and take a couple of hours for lunch during the hottest part of the day. Let the sun go away a little bit. So taking a long midday meal isn't that bad. You're probably going to have a lot of sun in the evening. See, and I'm just going to do that. So that's ready for later. And then I can just snap the lid back on it, put it back in the gallon storage bag so I don't make a mess with it, and carry it on down the road. Make sure I snap it shut good. And then I get the spoon out of this roast beef, and since my rice and lentils are already hot, I'm not even going to worry about warming the stuff up. I got a piece that doesn't want to come out of there, and I want all of my roast beef with gravy. So I'm going to scrape a little. And the good thing about it is when you cook this way, once you eat the food, your pack gets lighter. So because the cup's warm, very warm, and the rice and lentils are hot, I'm just going to stir that all up together. And to me, this is good trail food. I'm sorry, you can eat a freeze-dried meal if you want to. Nothing beats this on the trail. Well, maybe freeze-dried beef stroganoff, but beef stew, but this is pretty close, and it'll get you through. Now, bon appetit.